my channel. My name is Fabiola. For those of you that are new to my channel, welcome. I do cook Mexican recipe, and today I will be making a pozole verde. I did mention it on Instagram that it was coming soon, so here it is. And I hope that you guys enjoy this recipe and make it. And tag me if you do make it. But it's super delicious, easy. So let's get started with the recipe. These are the ingredients. I have here 6 chicken drumsticks, 3 pieces of chicken breast. I have white hominy. I like using this one just because for me it's softer. And then I have a whole onion, 2 tablespoons of salt, 2 tablespoons of oregano, 5 bay leaf. I boil all this together. This will go in after the chicken is ready. For salsa, I have 8 tomatillos. I do get the bigger one. And then right here I have 4 jalapeno, 4 serranos, a bunch of cilantro, and chicken bouillon. For our toppings, it's gonna be cabbage, onion, radishes, and cilantro. Now let's get started with the rest. So this is about a medium size pot that I have here. I did put about half of water. That's all you need. I mean, if you want more, then you can add more water, but for me this is fine. And then I just throw in all the separate pot. You are gonna boil your chiles and your tomatillo until they are soft and ready to blend. Okay, so here I have my chiles and tomatillos ready. I'm just gonna get some of my chicken broth and just put it in here. That's it. And then after that I will be putting the rest of the ingredients. So to this you're gonna also add the cilantro, and then you're gonna also add some green scallion, cebollita, and 2 tablespoons of chicken bouillon. And then we'll blend. So here I have my salsa ready. I just pour it in. And then also I'm gonna be adding the hominy. And then I also went ahead and cut up the chicken breast just into bite size. And now everything's gonna boil for another half an hour until it's done. To this I am gonna also add some scallion, some cebollita, and some cilantro. And I'm also adding another 2 tablespoons of chicken bouillon. I mean, you guys can taste it along the way, but this is just what I needed, a little bit more, and that's it. So this is how the pozole is supposed to look like. It's already done. The hominy is pretty soft already. It's ready to be served. So here's the pozole, and all I have to do is put the toppings in it. A little bit of onion, some radishes, a little bit of cilantro. There you have it, ready. Okay, so here I have my plate ready with all the toppings. Now it's taste test. Delicious. I did add some lemon in it also. Hey, that's it guys. Thank you for watching this video. I hope that you guys enjoy this recipe. And if you do try this recipe, don't forget to tag me on any of my social medias. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my videos, like my videos, and turn on your post notification to get notified every time I post a new video. Thank you.